Okay. Hi friends, today we are going to study about first air parcel and then second lapse rate. Air parcel and lapse rate. Both these terms are very important to study atmospheric stability. Let's see first air parcel. What is mean by air parcel? The air parcel is nothing but a mass of gas or air, or it is a imaginary volume of air. It is a volume of air which occupies definite space in surrounding environment. As we seen in thermodynamics as system and surrounding. System is the part of universe under observation, same as the volume of air under observation is known as air parcel. Okay. Here we are considering Earth surface and this is the surrounding environment. When we are considering this small portion at Earth surface, it containing definite volume of air or volume of gases, which are known as air parcel. Okay. When we see the air parcels, the air parcel is a isolated system. Again, it is a adiabatic system. The meaning of isolated and adiabatic system is that isolated means it cannot exchange any temperature or any mass to the surrounding. Adiabatic means it cannot exchange heat to the surrounding. And the air parcel is a volume of air in a definite space in atmosphere, which is isolated as well as adiabatic system. It cannot exchange heat with the surrounding environment. When we see the air parcel at Earth's surface, it tried to attain ideal condition. It maintained equilibrium with surrounding with regard with temperature as well as pressure. The temperature outside the atmosphere is same inside the air parcel. And for that maintaining equilibrium, the air parcel may be expands or it may be compressed to maintain the isolated environment. Okay. When we go from Earth's surface to that certain height, here we considering 1 kilometer height. At 1 kilometer height, the temperature rate decreases. Hence, the temperature at certain height is lower than the temperature at Earth's surface. Due to that, the decrease in temperature causes increase in size of air parcel. Due to the increase in dispersion of volume of air parcel. The molecules in air parcel get dispersed, it expands. Okay. Same as when we grow from top to the bottom, the temperature get rise and temperature increases and the air parcel get compressed. Okay. At the end, that air parcel is a volume of air or gases which is isolated and adiabatic system. Okay. Then when the air parcel at Earth's surface, it maintains stability or isolation or equilibrium. Hence, the temperature pressure parameter outside and inside are same. When this air parcel moves to the upward direction from the Earth's surface, here we considering 1 kilometer, then it expands due to the fall in temperature. Okay. Hence, the air parcel shows change in size. It also shows change in temperature. And at Earth's surface, there is equilibrium between air parcel and surrounding atmosphere. Okay, clear? The next, that is lapse rate. Next, second important point, that is lapse rate. The lapse rate is nothing but the change in temperature or it is nothing but the decrease in temperature with height. The lapse rate is nothing but the decrease in temperature with height. As we see in air parcel that at Earth's surface there is equilibrium. When we go at certain height, it shows decrease in temperature with expansion. And this decrease in temperature with height is known as lapse rate. This lapse rate has two types. This lapse rate has two types. First, that is environmental lapse rate. It is also called as ELR. And second, that is adiabatic lapse rate. When we see this diagram, at Earth's surface it is equilibrium. When we go at certain height as 1 kilometer, it shows change in temperature, which is known as lapse rate. This change in temperature occurs outside the air parcel as well as inside the air parcel. When it is occur at outside the air parcel, means occur in surrounding, means occur in environment, it is called as environmental lapse rate. At same time, when the lapse rate or decrease in temperature occurs inside the air parcel. This is called as adiabatic lapse rate because this air parcel is a adiabatic system or isolated adiabatic system. Okay. Hence, environmental lapse rate is change in temperature or decrease in temperature at surrounding, and adiabatic lapse rate is change in temperature or decrease in temperature inside the air parcel. And these lapse rates having definite values. First, environmental lapse rate has value 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. The environmental lapse rate value is 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. When we go from Earth's surface to the 1 kilometer at height, it shows decrease in temperature by value of 6.5 degrees Celsius. But it is variable, not fixed. The environmental lapse rate is not fixed. It is variable. It changes with the environmental conditions. When there is a cold condition, it shows decrease in temperature with some less values. When there is a hot condition, it shows something different values. Hence, environmental lapse rate is not fixed value, it is variable value. At the time, adiabatic lapse rate, which is occur in the air parcel, this is 10 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Means air parcel shows decrease in temperature with 10 degree as we go at the height of 1 kilometer. Per kilometer, it shows 10 degrees Celsius decrease in temperature. This adiabatic lapse rate is fixed. It is not change with the environment. Okay. So these both terms, environmental lapse rate and adiabatic lapse rate, which is important for the atmospheric stability. Atmospheric stability. And for the atmospheric stable condition, it is requirement to environmental lapse rate is always less than adiabatic lapse rate, which shows stable condition. When environmental lapse rate is greater than adiabatic lapse rate, it shows unstable situation. When environmental lapse rate equal to the adiabatic lapse rate, it indicates neutral situation. Okay. So all these air parcels term and lapse rates are important to study atmospheric stability. Okay. Thank you.